In today's fast-paced world, managing home comfort has never been easier, and this Sensi smart thermostat is a game changer. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current thermostat, save on energy bills, or simply control your home's climate from anywhere, this Wi-Fi smart thermostat ticks all the boxes. With over 100 years of HVAC expertise behind its design, the Sensi thermostat offers top-tier reliability, advanced features, and a sleek, user-friendly interface that anyone can install and operate. Why choose the Sensi smart thermostat? The Sensi smart thermostat isn't just another gadget for your home. It's a powerful tool that helps you manage your heating and cooling systems with ease. It's perfect for people of all tech levels, from beginners to experts. Here's why. Energy Star certified. The Sensi thermostat is Energy Star certified, meaning it meets the high standards for energy efficiency. By using the Sensi thermostat, you can save up to 23% on HVAC energy costs, which translates into real savings on your monthly utility bills. The combination of flexible scheduling, remote access, and usage reports makes it easy to optimize your HVAC system for maximum savings. Easy DIY installation. No need for professional help. Thanks to the easy-to-follow installation instructions, you can install the Sensi smart thermostat yourself. Even if you have no previous experience, the step-by-step guide in the mobile app will make the process quick and simple. The thermostat fits in the same space as your old thermostat, so there's no need for patching or repainting your walls. Smart maintenance alerts. The Sensi thermostat doesn't just keep your home comfortable, it also helps keep your HVAC system in top condition. The smart maintenance feature provides useful alerts about equipment, performance, and maintenance reminders, such as filter replacement or system checkups, ensuring your HVAC system runs efficiently all year round. Privacy protection. In a world where privacy is a growing concern, Sensi stands out by ensuring that your personal data remains protected. Sensi won't sell your personal information to third parties, giving you peace of mind when using the app and controlling your thermostat remotely. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and more. Enjoy the convenience of voice control with popular smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply ask your voice assistant to adjust the temperature, set schedules, or even check the current settings of your thermostat. The Sensi thermostat makes your life easier by seamlessly integrating into your smart home ecosystem. Key features of the Sensi smart thermostat. Number 1. Energy efficiency with savings. Save up to 23% on energy. The Sensi smart thermostat helps you reduce your heating and cooling energy consumption by up to 23%, making it a smart choice for anyone wanting to save money. Energy Star certified. It meets high standards for energy efficiency, ensuring your home stays comfortable without running up your utility bills. Number 2. DIY installation. Step-by-step app instructions. No need for professional installation. The built-in level and easy-to-follow app instructions guide you through the installation process, making it suitable for beginners. Fits standard spaces. The Sensi thermostat fits in the same space as your old thermostat, meaning no extra holes or patches are needed. Number 3. Smart maintenance and alerts. Monitor HVAC performance. The Sensi thermostat tracks your HVAC system's performance and provides usage reports to ensure everything is running smoothly. Maintenance reminders. Receive timely alerts about your HVAC system's maintenance needs, such as filter replacement and system diagnostics, helping you keep everything in tip-top shape. Number 4. Privacy protection. Data privacy. Sensi doesn't sell your personal data to third parties, which is a huge bonus for those who prioritize privacy. You can enjoy the convenience of smart home technology without compromising on security. Number 5. Remote access and voice control. Control from anywhere. With the Sensi mobile app, you can control your thermostat remotely from anywhere in the world. Adjust the temperature, check energy reports, or set schedules, all at your fingertips. Voice control. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart home systems, you can control your thermostat with simple voice commands. Number 6. Flexible scheduling options. Custom schedules. Set the thermostat to match your lifestyle with flexible scheduling options. Whether you prefer to have the house warm when you wake up or cool when you arrive home, the Sensi thermostat ensures comfort when you need it most. Easy-to-use app. Program your thermostat in just a few taps with the intuitive Sensi app, which offers an easy interface for setting schedules and preferences. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.